of my way, you're crowding my space. Should I drive a bulldozer right through your face? Stop second guessing, stop wasting my time. You're just another target standing in line. What do you think you got? Fist for man, I'll flatten every last one of you just because I can't leave 'em breathing if you can. I'm betting my life, so don't block my view. Not good enough, yeah, it's always on you. The sun goes down and it rises again, but you stay the same, stuck in your head while you're skipping around, wasting your day. I'll be rotting inside of my grave. All or nothing, get out of my way. Trust the beast that you are right now. Grab the shadow and rip it out. Stare down the chance, choke it till it bleeds. If it ain't what you want, drop it at your feet. Let me tell you one thing, let me make it clear. You ain't got the luxury to sit in fear. This frozen world is driving me insane, and I hate that it's starting to numb my brain. Oh, now I remember the static is loud. My expiration date is running out. Before the reaper comes to take his toll, it's time to lose all control. Everyone else is the villain, you cry, yeah, that's right, 'cause you didn't even try. Cut the fake pity, you're making me sick. What were you born for, to leave a mark quick? Don't worry about the crowd looking at you. Nobody's watching, they got things to do. All or nothing, get out of my way. Trust the beast that you are right now. Grab the shadow and rip it out. Ooh, stare down the chance, choke it till it bleeds. If it ain't what you want, drop it at your feet. Oh, let me tell you one thing, let me make it clear. You ain't got the luxury to sit in fear. Oh, how long you gonna save that gasoline? It's turned into sludge, it's no longer clean. Light the fuse, spark the flame, let it burn when the tank runs dry. Another nightmare will churn. Hoard it or spend it, death wins the game, so smile and for it. We're all driving straight to hell. Bottom line, don't waste your time wondering why your person vanished without a sound. They chose a fantasy and ran. Look at the passenger seat, that's your reality. They decided you were too much to handle.